Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2013 Lexus LS460. This is an F Sport. F Sport package gives you the 19-inch wheels, the Sport air suspension. You get a different interior, exterior styling. You get Brembo brakes. Pretty neat. F Sport, you don't see many of the LS's. It's a nice car. Also has the comfort package, has the heated cooled seats, navigation, has the upgraded Mark Levinson sound system, power trunk, of course Bluetooth, rear camera, blind spot monitor. It's got the rear shade. This one does have the Alcantara headliner, which was an option. It's very clean. This one has 117,000 miles. It's a non-smoker. We do have 2 keys and all the books. It's nice and clean. Let's take a look in the back seat. Not much use back here. The driver's seat does show a little bit of wear. 117,000 miles. Besides that, it's really nice in here. Paddle shifters, that also comes with the F Sport. See the Alcantara headliner, sunroof. No warning lights, it has been maintained. It was just serviced, so nothing needs to be done there. Here's your adjustable suspension. Got Sport, Comfort, Eco, Sport Plus. You can change the height. Heated cold seats. This is a lot of car for the money right here. Reliable, nice, comfortable. It rides amazing. Give us a call, text, or email us. We do respond quickly. You can leave a comment on this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. We get a lot of different cars. This was a trade-in. We got classic cars as well. We do restorations too. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. We can ship anywhere in the United States. And out-of-town deals are very easy to do. We can do all that remotely, all the paperwork. We hope to hear from you soon.